Hey guys, this is what it looks like. Cute or whatever. I'm running a little behind. Hey guys, if you've never seen my face before, my name is Safiyah. Welcome to my channel. Today is currently Wednesday, August 16th, 5:35. And I'm about to head out to go to my lash appointment because today we're doing a little maintenance vlog. My brother's fiance is having a bridal shower on Saturday, so we need to get some stuff done so we look cute. So that's the vibe. I'm supposed to be at my sister's house for 6, so we gotta head out. This is the basic little fit for my lash appointment. This little New York tee, which is from Fashion Nova. My shorts are from H&M. We got some high socks on, and I'm pretty sure I'm about to go throw on my Crocs. That's the current vibes for today. So let's go.
From a day job, running fast from the way it was. Jump quick to a paycheck, running back to the strip club. I'm never going back, never going back. No, you can't make me. Never going back, never going back. They never take me. I paid enough for petty dues. I put enough of shitty news. I had a thing for dirty shoes since I was 10. Love dirty men alike.
Hey guys, it's currently Thursday, August 17th at 10:22 a.m. Leaving an orthodontist appointment that I had. I've already had my braces off for like over a year now, but my permanent retainer was like broken on one side and they just drilled it down. Honestly, they just like shaved off that part of the retainer. I thought they were gonna like take it off and put a new one back on, but whatever. Also took longer than I thought. My appointment was for 9:45 and I'm just leaving at 10:24. Anyways, now I'm on my way home and we're gonna go get these nails done. So I'll see you guys when I get there.
She gon' slide right to my side, I know. She pulled up with her friends, then we skirt off in the Benz. Oh, took her back to my crib, and I regret it. She tryna feel like she asleep, so she tried to stay the whole week. I'm like, oh, nah, she gotta go. Ask me her name, I swear I don't even know. They wanna know why the girl them they for me. Them I ain't green, them I ain't just sit by me. They wanna know why them love them out so much.
We're getting into the fun part. We're gonna start designing. So we're looking like.
It's just the vibe, I'm that guy. 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 She put her leg in the sky whenever I pull up. She got her clothes off from the walk, and she won't waste no time. Oh, she don't want nobody else, I know, but I can't be what she wants. They all have the same story. They all want me to themselves, but I'm a jealous. The city is my palace. What I'ma do? Cause I want she and she and she, and they love them so me. I ain't the dude they gon' say bye to. I ain't the dude you gotta lie to. I ain't the dude that you could trust on speaker when you with your people. Cause you know the type and I'm on tryna feel like she's asleep.
This is the finished product of my nails. Just a little chrome pink. Some cute. I also don't know if I showed you guys the finished product of my lashes, but here are my lashes. Cute or whatever. What I need to do is clean up my eyebrows because they're looking a little wild right now. It's the next day. Let's try these outfits on. So this was my first little dress option. This is from Fashion Nova, and honestly this would be so cute, and I'm so upset that it did not end up working out. But exactly how it looks right here, just how it just looks like a piece of fabric, is exactly how it looks on my body, like a square. This is what it looks like. I just feel like there's a whole bunch of extra fabric in here, but like literally it's just too big. But I sized up to a medium because I read the reviews and someone said to size up and they lied, and I should have got my regular size and then I probably would have been content. But this is a no, so let me show you my actual outfit that I'm actually gonna wear. I think it's cute. I like it. Perfect. This is the final look. Okay guys, update. I'm currently on TikTok live and I muted them because they feel awkward. But I'm currently braiding my hair. So I currently have my little spray bottle here, and the goal is to braid all of my hair tonight so that by tomorrow when I'm getting ready, it's dry, and when I take it out, it's all cute and wavy. now let's move on to the other half. And I'm ready for bed.
Like a bandit, like bandit. I got paper girl, Lamborghini with the spider seats. Never seen it, so get it, shout it. You walking like pimping in my dome, and I know what you want.
Okay, hair is officially done. It is 10:45, so it took an hour and 15 minutes to do all these braids. We're gonna wet it one more time before I just wrap up the top and go to my bed. I'm just getting tired. That's the hair. That's it for tonight. I'm going to my bed. Hi guys. Today is the day. Currently 2:10. I'm about to start getting ready super early. I was planning to start getting ready at 2:30, but next part of this little maintenance is me about to wax my pits. I don't want to do it myself, so I'm calling my little sister to pull the shifts for me. It's too nerve-wracking doing it yourself. Like I just can't. This is not the vibe right now. I don't have baby powder, so I need to ask her to bring some. I need a towel. Oh, I need to change my shirt. Like, girl, you are not ready. Give me a second. So I'm gonna apply it and everything. I just need you to rip. I'm scared already. I don't like doing this. I like it. Of course you do. This is where the fear starts to sink in. Woo! That was good. Yeah, that was good. Yeah, that was not bad. Ooh, the aftermath is kind of... I feel like it's crooked. What do you need? Just look around. Right. Fresh bits. To continue with the hair removal, we have moved over to my bathroom and we're gonna clean up these eyebrows a little bit, and then we're gonna hop in the shower, do a full body shower, shave, exfoliate the legs, all that, and then we can start getting ready for real. Nothing crazy. Brows are done. Now let's go hop in the shower. It's 3:12. I'm out the shower. Now I start getting ready. I literally only curl my hair for my birthdays usually, so I haven't seen my hair curled. I haven't seen my hair curled since October of last year. So I just love my hair is curled. It just looks too good. Like every time, like too good.
Used to run bass like Pierre. Now run the bass hi-hat in the snare. Used to bag girls like Birkin bags. Now back beat.
One half done, other half to go. Okay, so here is the hair. We got the curls going, curls for the girls. But we're gonna do a cute little hairstyle with it. I got my little edge booster, edge control. Do a little some, little 1, 2. I'm excited.
Brooklyn Bay, where they birthed me at. Now be everywhere, the nerve around. The audacity to have me with the curtains back. Me and B, she about to sting, stand back.
Baby, seem like everywhere I go, I see you. From your eyes, a smile, it's like I breathe you. Helplessly, I reminisce, don't want to compare nobody to you. Boy, I try to catch myself, but I'm out of control. Your sexiness is so...
A lot of content going on right now, and not enough time. Here's the final look. I'm rushing though. I need to hurry up, put my outfit on, because we gotta go. But it turned out so cute. Love it so far. Guys, I gotta go. This is the final look. I have my little pink heels on. My